Pessimistic sentiment prevails in the oil market while Brent quotes extend losses for the second straight day. The ruble keeps unexpectedly steady, but negative news leave no chance for it to strengthen. Signs of a rapid oil supply recovery in Saudi Arabia weigh down on oil prices. The Saudis are very likely to restore oil production by the end of this month. Since the drone attacks on Saudi oil facilities, the commodity export has reduced by nearly 1.5 million barrels per day. Brent quotes are trading in the negative territory on Wednesday at $62.40 per barrel. Additional pressure was put on the oil market by news from the US. US oil inventories for the reporting week have increased by 1.4 million barrels. In addition, Donald Trump expressed a harsh criticism towards China at the UN General Assembly. The hopes for a quick conflict resolution between the two countries have vanished. At the same time, traders' concerns about a drop in energy demand are growing. The ruble began to weaken following the oil decline and sudden sell-offs in the global financial markets. The dollar-ruble pair has gained ground in the early session and settled firmly at 64.23. Meanwhile, the US Democratic Party announced official impeachment proceedings against US President Donald Trump. Today, the ruble is supported by the issue of federal loan bonds from Russian Ministry of Finance. This may possibly strengthen the Russian currency despite negative global news. That is all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.